So, hello defense aspirant, welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are doing well in your life and stepping towards your goal. So, we are back with a new topic that is about the military communication codes. It is used in all the armed forces, and today we will be covering different types of military communication codes. So, talking about the first one is the Roger or Roger that. So, it means that message received and understood. It is also containing an internal information of certain action. The second one is copy. It is also similar to Roger or Roger that, and it is also that message received and understood, but without any internal information of action. The second one is this copy without any action. It is basically the instruction. Third one is standby. So the soldiers are ready to take the action, but waiting for the senior's order is actually the meaning of standby. The next one is stand down. It is the state of readiness. Fifth one is abort, that is, that present mission should be left as it is and we have to went back to our base. Sixth one is no name. In the conversation, when we do not have to use any name of organization or any name of individual, then we are using this particular code that is no name. The next one is engage. It is basically means that to occupy or you can say deviate the enemy for some time. Eighth one is captain has the con. So it is basically used in Indian Navy, that is one of the armed forces, and in when the captain changes his command of ship and hand over to the next commander, then he announced that XYZ has the con. Means now all the soldiers have to be in the command of a new captain. Ninth one is over. So it is basically have completed my instruction of conversation and now you can speak. So this is actually on the radio communication we use the word over. The next one is over and out. So to end down the conversation we will use this word on a radio communication, that is over and out. 12th one is radio silence. So basically the radio silence is not to talk on radio because right now there is an interception by an enemy in our communication channel. So we will use the word radio silence so that we are not able to talk about anything about the mission. The next one is will go. That means will comply. And the last one is I am bingo. It is basically used by the fighter pilots or you can say the field of you can say the field of fighter pilots who will be using this particular code that I am running with no fuel or I am running out of the fuel. He or she will use this word I am bingo. So these are some of the military codes in our armed forces. I hope you like them this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for the further major updates. Now we will maintain our fluency of videos and do share this video also. Thank you so much and Jai Hind at last.